video is about Pink, the Sephora Pro palette. So I'm going to show you how to get this look, and I hope that you like it. I will put all the information in the description box down below. If you are not subscribing, please click the subscribe button and also click on the bell to notify you when I upload new videos. Let's get started. Here I'm applying my Sephora collection liquid foundation in the shade medium 29. I'm just going to use a beauty blender in my hand to make sure it's all smooth all over my neck and face. Then I'm going to use this eyebrow brush and just shape up my eyebrows, and then use the NYX powder eyebrow pencil to just fill in and shape up my eyebrows. This is a powder pencil. It glides on very soft. It can be very intense and you have to blend it out a little bit. I'm using a flat concealer brush to put the MAC paint pot all over my eyelid for the eyeshadow to stick. I'm going to be using the Sephora Pro palette and a fluffy brush, and we're going to start with the shade Magnolia. This is going to be our base color. It's going to be all over our eyelid. Just blending it out. If you hold the tip of your brush at the tip, you have more flexibility to make sure that you're blending it very well. I'm just going to build it up. I'm going to add a little bit of the color Blonde just to give it a little bit more depth. Just blending it in very well. Then we're going to go in with the shade Bubblegum, and we're just going to blend that all over right there at the bone area of the crease. Now we're going to go in with the color Tulip, just a little bit, just to give a little bit of the pink color. Going to change brushes with a medium fluffy brush, just blend that out. I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush, and we're going to go in with the color Camilla. But we're going to be more defined with a blending small brush in the crease area of the corner and then under the eye. Just blending it very well. Blending, 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 very important. Looking up so you don't tear up. Just keep blending it so there's no harsh lines and it all comes together. That color Camilla is a little bit deep, so we just need to make sure that we blend it out very, very well. Now we're going to use a little bit of the magenta, which is a very beautiful color, and just blending that out just on that corner there. I'm going to use a little bit of this Kiko bronzer. I haven't used it very often because it is a very deep bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Purple Dual blush, just blending that out with the bronzer. Very strong pigment. Now I'm going to use the Fenty stick for concealer underneath the eyes, and I'm going to blend it in. This is in the shade of Porcelain. Just putting it on my cupid's bow, my nose, between my eyebrows, and then along the jawline, just blending it out with my finger a little bit. Then I will set it with some Laura Mercier powder. I added some NYX lashes. Now I'm using the Tarte Mascara Light Camera in the shade Black. Just putting it all over, making sure that my eyelashes go in with the regular strip lashes, and then putting a little bit on my bottom line. Now I'm going to go in with the Inkblot eyeliner Black and put it in the top of my eyeliner. Now the MAC white pencil on the bottom waterline. Then I will add a little bit of the Too Faced Candlelight highlighter all over my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, in the rose shade. Now I'm going to use Makeup Forever Little Dual. This is another highlighter I like to put on the tip of my nose. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Daisy, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you like it. If you have any suggestions, any ideas, please drop them down below. I want to tell you thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being here with me. I want you to go out. I want you to be fancy. I want you to be fabulous. Until I see you in the next video. Bye!